Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a group email in Gmail. So first of all, open Gmail, look at the right corner, tap on this, go to contact option, look at left corner, click on to label, plus icon, type here your group name, click on save, tap on to three dot, and then finally click on friend, and then again. Okay, now open a group. Now shown here to group two member. So that's how you can easily create a group email in Gmail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.